Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we invite you to join us on an exciting journey into the world of Bugatti supercar test drivers. Get ready to discover the passion, skill, and dedication that drives these exceptional individuals, with a special focus on the talented Italian driver, Bichocci. Behind every Bugatti masterpiece is a team of skilled test drivers who push these supercars to their limits. Let's explore the crucial role they play in refining the performance, handling, and overall driving experience of these incredible machines. Bugatti's test drivers are involved in extensive testing programs, ensuring that every aspect of the car is thoroughly evaluated. From acceleration and braking to handling and stability, they leave no stone unturned. These skilled drivers work closely with engineers to fine-tune the performance of Bugatti supercars. Their feedback and expertise help optimize power delivery, suspension settings, and aerodynamics for an unparalleled driving experience. And reliability are paramount in Bugatti's pursuit of automotive excellence. Test drivers rigorously evaluate these aspects, ensuring that the supercars meet the highest standards of safety while delivering exceptional performance. Now let's turn our attention to a remarkable test driver who has played a pivotal role in shaping Bugatti's supercars, Bichocci. Bichocci is a seasoned test driver with a deep-rooted passion for speed and precision. Born and raised in Italy, he brings his expertise and love for performance to the world of Bugatti. Possesses an innate understanding of the nuances of Bugatti's engineering. His acute senses and technical prowess allow him to fine-tune the smallest details, resulting in a harmonious fusion of power, control, and refinement. Collaboration with the engineering team. Works hand-in-hand with Bugatti's engineering team, forging a collaborative partnership. This synergy between driver and engineer is vital in creating a supercar that delivers uncompromising performance on and off the track. Crashing is never a nice experience. Even if it's not your car, there will be ramifications for you. Test drivers have to push the envelope, though often in prototype cars that might not be all that safe. This is the story of a boss among supercar test drivers, Italian Bichocci, pushing the fledgling Veyron's engine to its maximum in one of the overall project's earliest stages. A tire blew at an estimated 245 miles per hour on the Nardo test bowl. Remember, at this time in the car's life, Michelin hadn't yet developed the production tire that could withstand the Veyron's top speed, and the chassis engineering was still relatively primitive. Refining and perfecting the performance and handling of these automotive marvels. From high-speed tracks to demanding road conditions, they pushed the limits of speed and control. Through their skilled hands and acute senses, test drivers like Bichocci harnessed the raw power generated by Bugatti's engines. They fine-tune every aspect, ensuring a symphony of power, agility, and aerodynamics that set new benchmarks in the automotive world. Test drivers like possess an extraordinary ability to translate their driving sensations into concrete data. Their feedback and analysis aid the engineering team in refining the smallest details, unlocking the full potential of each Bugatti supercar. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of Bugatti supercar test drivers, with a special focus on the talented Bichocci. Their unwavering dedication, skill, and collaboration with the engineering team help shape Bugatti's iconic vehicles. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the world of Bugatti supercar test drivers, with a special focus on the talented Bichocci. Their unwavering dedication and expertise ensure that every Bugatti leaves an indelible mark in automotive history. If you found this video fascinating and enjoyed learning about the incredible work of Bugatti's test drivers, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Be sure to subscribe. Thank you once again for joining us today. Remember to keep the passion for cars alive and celebrate the exceptional craftsmanship and driving experiences that Bugatti delivers. Until next time, drive safely and enjoy the thrill of the open road.